That may be
Yes, what is this?
Here, CD not received, my lord. Here, interim, my lord.
after
You are
2 weeks,
treated.
Lordship.
Yes, when it can be, Sharma?
My lord, 28, my lord.
28,
28.
20. Okay. Interim be continued till next time. Issue.
And another item, Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of J. Paul, item number 2, Lordship.
Item number
Two.
Two.
This matter has been listed as motion. Your Lordship, a little mistake, inadvertent mistake. The PS case has been mentioned as Pan Bajar, ought to have been Polton Bajar. So, my lord, that is why we are pressing to not press this application to file and with liberty to file afresh by
You want
correcting that.
to withdraw this one?
This, yes, withdraw this application and file a fresh petition because of the mistake.
Depending on the table, the done consultation, submitted that there are some technical reason and for which he submitted that the petitioner wants to withdraw the same due to some with liberty to file. They are allowed. Cases accordingly disposed of on withdraw with liberty.
Lordship may observe that police station has been wrongly mentioned. That is why.
Technical reason I have.
Obliged, Lordship.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing on criminal petition. May I pray on Friday?
Make a mention before court number 13.
Wait. I beg to mention on item number 28 and 29 and 30, my lord. On behalf of
29.
Senior Counsel Mr. P.K. Roysodhi, my lord.
29 and
29 and 30.
these are connected matters.
Yes. He is 30.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of responding 2, 3, and 29.
Respondent number 2.
In the criminal 29-304 of 2023 for respondent 2 and criminal petition for respondent 2, 3. and 4. I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Tiwari.
So do you have any objection?
No, Your
Your name is not reflected.
And my name is not there, my lord. Yes. I am on behalf of Senior Counsel Mr. P.K. Roysodhi, my lord.
PK Roger.
My lord.
Mr. Azad, you're Mr.
A.K. Azad.
A.K. Azad. Part Mr. A.K. Azad appearing on 29 and 30, appearing on Mr. PK Roger. But in item number 30, even
30, my lord, I have taken consent from.
in item number 30,
30, my lord.
appearing on behalf of Mr. PK Roger. And with the consent of the learned counsel, appearing in criminal petition number 769 of 21, submitted that with some personal inquiries, the matter may be adjourned. Which MS, your good name?
O. Gupta.
O. Gupta.
O. Gupta.
To which MS O. Gupta appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Tiwari in both the appeal as well as criminal petition. There is no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. Yes, 2 weeks, 1 week will do.
After 2 weeks, ma'am.
After 2 weeks. We're not fixing any date yet.
Fine.
After 2 weeks, as on a date to be raised. Can you tell us, is there any interim is operating in criminal petition?
No.
No, not operating. Okay, we're listing both the matters after 2 weeks.
All right.
I beg to mention item number 33. Kindly pass over the 33.
30.
33. Double 3.
33. With the request made by High Council for the application.
After 2 weeks.
Matter is returned after 3 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
This matter accordingly after 2 weeks as on a date to be raised.
Must.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item 24, my lord. The
20.
CD is not available,
24.
my lord.
Yes, what is the position of 24?
Lordship.
So, my lord, they are interim, my lord.
You are on entry?
Yes, ma'am.
They did not receive issue reminder.
And that may be 25th, my lord.
25th of May.
25th, my lord.
Issue reminder. 25th.
Yes, my lord.
We are listing it on 25th of May.
My lord.
In your interim will be extended till next.
Lordship. Deeply obliged.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 23, Lordship. Kindly adjourn for the day.
Yes, what is the position of 23?
Item number?
23.
23.
CD not received. Are you on interim there?
They are interim, my lord.
You are on interim.
Yeah.
CD not received. So remind. Yes, when it can be.
My lord, it may be, my lord. 22nd, my lord.
Listing it on 22nd of May, or interim is extended till next.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20. I want to pass over the matter for the day, as my senior
What
is
is the
out of
position
state.
of 20?
My. 21.
Are you on interim?
My lord, interim, they are interim.
There
my
is
lord. Charge sheet submitted, my lord.
Now, if you agree, then we can dispose of the matter, but most probably she need the conference of the.
Item number 20.
On behalf of N. Ahmed. Mr. N.
No,
Ahmed.
no, whatever. The question is that this, it has already been charge sheeted.
Lordship,
So,
I want
yeah.
to pass it over for the day.
Okay. Alika for the.
Hoy, bro, charge sheet.
7th of.
Charge sheet.
Obliged.
She may not be in a position to submit.
My lord, my lord.
So we are listing it on 7th of May.
My lord.
May it please your Lordship, I beg to mention item 36, Lordship. Lordship, it was supposed to be
No, no, it's a
listed
valid
on
report. Nick.
5/6/2026, but wrongly it is listed today.
30?
5/6/2026.
No, no,
it is
30, yeah. Item number
36. 36.
36.
Yes, Lordship.
Oh, supply. Supply 36, bail hearing.
Yes, Lordship.
AB, my. CD notice, my lord, they are
You
interim, my
still
lord.
saying it's supposed to be here? Yes, yes, it was supposed to be listed on 5.
Yes, Lordship.
Oh,
Supposed to be listed.
you are MS?
5/6/2026.
5-6, my lord. they are-
Yes, yes. You are MS?
S. Ahmed, on the behalf of Miss R. Chaudhary.
Card MS S. Ahmed,
5-6,
appearing on behalf of MS Archer.
5-6,
It is submitted by Mr. Sharma, the learned edition PP that she did not receive. However, it is submitted in that context. MS Ahmed submitted that case was supposed to be listed on 5/6/2026, wrongly listed. In view of this, let the registry is hereby dedicated to list the matter on 5/6.
Obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention an AV for listing, Lordship.
Make a mention before port number 13. 13.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please the Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, my lords.
1/4.
Yes, my lord. In this case, we are an interim, my lord, and we have also sought a consent from the respondent, my lord, because they are represented by, informant is represented by Mr. S. Munir. Yesterday, we have sought a consent, my lord, so for making this mention, my lord. And
So what is the position?
My lord, here, as per information, my lord, charge sheet submitted. my lord.
so, my
in
lord,
this case.
yes, my prayer is that Lordship may kindly adjourn this matter today, and in presence of this, my lord, this order may be passed. My lord. So, any date, Lordship, as per the convenience of this
The
court.
consent of the other
No.
side and the
What we do.
consent of the other side, the learned counsel. For the petition, Mr. Chaudhary appear, wait for an adjournment. Prayer draft. Yes, when will be convenient for you?
My lord, any 8, if possible, my lord.
8 is not. It would go to. Okay, then 8.
8, my lord. My lord, they are on interim, till then it may be continued, my lord.
8 by will be continued. Yes.
I'm deeply obliged.
Right.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, here in this case, lordship, petitioner was arrested on 16/3/2026, lordship, and case was charge sheeted on 31/3/2026, lordship. Lordship, the basic allegation against the petition is under section 69/324(2), 351(3) BNS, lordship. But except lordship, section 69, lordship, others are bailable, lordship. So 69 section, lordship, that cannot attract in my case, lordship, because if your lordship gone through the FIR, Lordship.
See, that's
My
the
lord,
question. Question is that we have
charge
case
sheet
has
that-
already been charged.
My lord.
Let a short bid date be given. We'll call for the case diary and we'll see to it. Because
case
as
diary,
charge sheet has already been submitted, we have to bid.
Lordship, LCR may be required.
Yes, yes,
Charge
obviously,
sheet.
LCR, I mean, TCR will be.
This year, this year.
TCR.
From where it has to come?
Lordship, it has to be come from DFU, Lordship, Karbiang.
Difu, Karbiang. 12, 13 will do.
My lord.
Let it be on 13. I think.
My lord.
Let it be on 13, otherwise it
13.
may not reach out.
13
13 this month.
or 30th month.
Scan
no,
code
30,
30
30.
we call for.
My
And
lord.
the case.
30 or 13?
30 of this month or 13th. 13, 1,
I am saying 1 3.
My
1,
lord.
3. Was a my lord, 1 3.
1 3.
That's Lordship.
TCR along with the case diary we distribute.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, a prisoner arrested 17/4/2026, lordship. Allegation is a 118 plus 2, 109 plus 1, lordship. Lordship, page number 13, lordship, FIR, lordship.
1 3.
1-3, lordship. বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে ইংৰাজী 16/4/2026 প্ৰায় 5:30 বজাত মোৰ ল'ৰা শ্ৰী বিশ্বজিৎ ঘৰৰ পৰা বিহুলৈ বুলি ওলাই যায়। তেতিয়া আন্ধাৰ সুযোগ লৈ বদগী এজনে চুকাস্ত্ৰ হত্যা কৰাৰ উদ্দেশ্যে মোৰ আৰু ডিঙিত আঘাত কৰি লৰ্ডশ্বিপ। Informant said assaulted my petitioner wife, lordship. There's where some murder took place and minor injury, both parties are minor injury, lordship.
You may call for CD, my lord, as the in the CD this my lord.
But
In
who
the
lost
packet.
the FIR?
Lordship,
FIR was lost by whom?
lost by petitioner, informant father of father, victim of the father. Father lost the FIR, lordship.
Yes, yes, father of the victim lost the FIR too.
Lordship.
That's why I'm asking, because if the petitioner
Petitioner
would have
went
lost the
to lost
FIR, it
FIR.
would have been different because it is lost by his father. So here the last sentence is that Raham Sikicha Mohammed Sikicha din Avastha.
My
Lordship.
So let the CDB call for when he
No,
was
lordship,
arrested,
medical
74.
report may be called for. Medical report.
Yes, yes, obviously medical report will also be called for. And the position of when the alleged to be inflicted injury is the head and neck.
My lord, vital part.
These are the vital part.
That is why 109 is there.
Yes, 109 is there. So let the from where it has to come? Which place?
Bogi,
Lakhimpur.
Lakhimpur.
Lakhimpur. Bogi.
Lakhimpur.
Yes.
Lakhimpur.
No, Lakhimpur.
No,
Lakhimpur.
Lakhimpur.
Bogi.
Bogi Nodi, my
Yes.
Bogi Nodi. Bogi Nodi.
My lord, 14th, my lord. 14th of
Bogi Nodi. Lakhimpur. Lakhimpur.
my 14th.
Not
City. Hall.
14th.
Listing in 14, but hopefully may reach, may not also. 14, not a long date anyway. We'll try to get 14.
right.
May I please, lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, anticipatory bail, lordship.
Hmm.
There are 7 numbers of petitioners, lordship.
Yes.
Kindly, lordship, FIR, the vernacular at page 15, lord.
Yes. Yes, read it.
15.
Hmm.
May I read, lordship?
Yes, yes, you read.
মহাশয় সন্মান সহকাৰে আপোনাক জনাও যে প্ৰায় 1 বছৰ পূৰ্বৰ পৰাই 1 নং পদকীয়াজনী স্বামীৰ ঘৰ সংসাৰ নষ্ট কৰি আহি মোৰ সৰু ভাইটি জহিৰুল ইছলাম লগত বিয়া বহাৰ প্ৰলোভনেৰে নানা কায়দা কৌশল কৰি ভয় বেছি দেখুৱাই 2 লাখ টকা দাবী কৰে। যদিও মোৰ ভাইটিয়ে ভয়তে 1 লাখ টকা দিবলৈ বাধ্য হয় আৰু বাকি 1 লাখ টকাৰ কাৰণে নানা কৌশলেৰে উক্ত টকাৰ কাৰণে হেঁচা প্ৰয়োগ কৰে আৰু উক্ত টকা দিব নোৱাৰাত মোৰ ভাইটিয়ে বিয়াৰ প্ৰস্তাৱ দিয়ে। যদিও প্ৰস্তাৱ অমান্য কৰি 1 নং পদকীয়াজনী বাকী পদকীয়াক লগত লৈ যোৱাকালি 23/3/2025 তাৰিখত সন্ধিয়া অনুমান 9:30 মান বজাত কাজাইকাটা 4 নম্বৰ গাঁৱৰ ৰমজান আলীৰ ঘৰৰ ওচৰত ঘাপ পাতি বহি থাকে। ঠিক সেই সময়ত মোৰ ভাইটি বজাৰৰ পৰা ঘৰলৈ আহি থকাত পদকীয়া গণে আগুৰি ধৰি লাঠিৰে কোবাই শৰীৰৰ বিভিন্ন ঠাইত গুৰুতৰভাৱে জখম কৰে আৰু বাওঁ হাতখন ভাঙি যায় আৰু লগতে থকা 30,000 টকা মোবাইল ATM DL RC পান কাৰ্ড আধাৰ কাৰ্ড ভোটাৰ কাৰ্ড দোকানৰ চাবি মটৰচাইকেলৰ চাবি কাঢ়ি মোৰ ভাইটিক মাকৈ খেতিত পেলাই দি পদকীয়া গুণে পলাই যায় আৰু মোৰ ভাইটি চিঞৰ বাখৰ কৰাত স্থানীয় ৰাইজে ঘটনাস্থলী আহি মোৰ ভাইটিক অধিক সংকটজনক অৱস্থাত দেখি তৎক্ষণাৎ বিলাসীপাৰা হস্পিটেললৈ পঠাই দিয়ে আৰু ভাইটিৰ অৱস্থা অধিক সংকটজনক দেখা পাই উন্নত চিকিৎসাৰ বাবে ধুবুৰী মেডিকেল কলেজলৈ প্ৰেৰণ কৰে আৰু তাতে ডাক্তৰে জখমী গুৰুতৰ দেখি তৎক্ষণাৎ চিকিৎসকে গুৱাহাটী জিএমচিলৈ প্ৰেৰণ কৰে আৰু মোৰ ভাইটি বৰ্তমান মৃত্যুৰ লগত যুঁজি আছে দিছ ইজ দ্য কণ্টেণ্ট অফ দ্য এফআইআৰ লৰ্ডশ্বিপ Lordship, the seven numbers of petitioners, Lordship, they are from same family. The real story is that, Lordship, the brother of the informant, Lordship, Johirul Islam,
Informant.
he was proposing the accused number 1 for 1 year, Lordship, for marriage, Lordship. But, Lordship, the accused number 1 repeatedly refused the proposal, Lordship. Now, Lordship, the family member, Lordship, already fixed a date, Lordship, which was going to be solemnized 25th 3 2026, Lordship, marriage, of petitioner number 1. So, technically, Lordship, to stop the marriage of the petitioner number 1, this the present affair has been lost, Lordship, on 24th 3 2026, Lordship. There was no such incident has taken place. There was no any information, Lordship, to the petitioners that such kind of incident has taken place, Lordship.
So how will you explain the injury?
We don't know, Lordship, what happened to him, Lordship. There is no such incident has taken place with us, Lordship. Now, Lordship, the petitioner number 1 has already got marriage, Lordship, on 25th 3 2026. And they have already mentioned the, Lordship, part of the proposal in their affair, Lordship.
My lord, here the second part, my lord. First part is regarding death. The second part is injury. Lordship is point out,
Injury,
my lord.
that is
Here,
their, Lordship.
হস্পিটেললৈ পঠাই দিয়াৰ ভাইটি অৱস্থা অধিক সংকটজনক দেখা পাই উন্নত চিকিৎসাৰ বাবে ধুবুৰী মেডিকেল কলেজে প্ৰেৰণ কৰে আৰু তাতে ডাক্তৰ জখমী গুৰুতৰ দেখি তৎক্ষণাৎ চিকিৎসকে গুৱাহাটী জিএমচিলৈ প্ৰেৰণ কৰে আৰু বৰ্তমান মোৰ ভাইটি মৃত্যুৰ লগত যুঁজি আছে মানে that part is my lord.
Lordship, my prayer is that absolutely fabricated case, Lordship.
Let me call for
So
CD.
till then, Lordship, the petitioners may be protected, Lordship. CD may be come with the injury report, Lordship.
FIR, I don't know why it has been written that she came there forcibly, like to get
Nothing has happened. No such incident has taken place, Lordship.
Islam or he was
All the
married
members
by
from
FIR,
same family.
so she was interested to get married.
Yes, sir.
Or
Here after later part, my lord.
Lordship, the girl, Lordship, on 25th, her marriage is going to be solemnized, Lordship. How this kind of incident can take place?
My lord, here informant is also here for the my lord.
oh, you're for the informant.
Right.
Okay, yes.
As far as injury report goes, my lord, these are the injuries, my lord.
Fracture.
Fracture, my lord. And the medical report is also, my lord, there. And my lord, I am like file the objection, my lord, bringing reports, the medical reports, my lord. Till then, no protection, my lord.
Lordship,
Serious injuries, my lord. Serious in nature.
injury is there, Lordship. It cannot be proved that how injury was taken place,
It will
Lordship.
be from CD.
That is true, Lordship. Absolutely fabricated case, Lordship. CD may be come, Lordship.
But
Your
he
Lordship.
has already appeared, no?
Yes, Lordship.
My learned
So,
statement itself is contradictory, my lord.
Lordship,
Let me, while submitting say, absolutely, my lord, nothing has happened, my lord, as far as the injury. And now he is again admitting that something may happen, my lord. And that's why on May, my lord, benefit out has to come, and I am on record, my lord, These are the records, my lord, as per medical board.
You are
Lordship, only,
Mr. J.
only photographs cannot be taken as Lordship.
No, we are not taking
Yes,
consideration.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. J. is done.
There should be doctor's report, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Bishop done it.
নহ'ব
You are Mr.
A.S. Tapadar, my lord.
A.S. Tapadar. Informed. Submit, they have already filed their bakara. In view of this, the registry is thereby direct name of Mr. A.S. Tapadar and in the cost is predicted. Further, it is submitted by Mr. Tapadar that he wants to submit his written objection in the present case. In view of this, let the CDB call for yes from CD when
my lord, from Dhubri, my lord, 19th, my lord,
19.
of May.
Let the CDB call for fixing the matter of 19/5/2026. In the meantime, the informant will submit his written objection. Within that period, if you want to submit, you can submit. Otherwise, it will be decided on merit of the. Otherwise, we are giving you time on until 19th.
19.
Republic, Lordship. May it please, your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, my lord, FIR page 17,
17.
page 17. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
The humble submission is that below mentioned accused person had been purchasing coil from me for the year 2021 to 2024 for using in his own brick fleet and for export through the Sonahati International Trade Sector. After calculation, a total amount of rupees 11 crore something, my lord, remains unpaid. Although the accused has fixed several dates for payment, but he has not paid the said money till today. On 15th February, in the evening, when the complainant asked for his money at so and so, the accused person abused him with filthy language and threatened him. My lord. This is the allegation. It cannot be a criminal case. My lord, this is absolutely, totally civil nature. So if my case is that it is totally false. I have no relation with him. He cannot even, my lord, FIR, nothing shows how he has supplied. Right? He is, my lord, what happened in this case, my lord? Page 23. In this case, my lord, one Bipul Bormon, my lord, page 23. One Bipul Bormon, Tulsi Saha, and the petitioner, my lord, they have entered into an agreement and to run the brick industry, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, they are not interested to run the business, and this agreement has been cancelled by them, all of them, my lord. That is page 29. 29 again. They have.
Your name is, where is your name?
My name is Sopial Sarkar. Sopial Sarkar.
The deed agreement was between Bipul Burman, Tulsi Saha.
Tulsi Saha and petitioner Sopial Burman. For to run a brick industry. Thereafter, they were not interested. Then page 29.
20.
Page 29. Annexure 3. Said Bipul Bormon, Tulsi Saha, and Sopiul Sarkar, the petitioner, my lord. My lord, got the name? They have, this is deed of cancellation of agreement. That agreement they have cancelled, and they have also settled their all accounts also. Page 31. My lord, page 31, serial number 6, that serial number 5, that both the parties have settled all the accounts, payments, etc. among themselves. They have any claim for each other in regards to MS Bormon Brick. The name of the brick industry was MS Bormon Industry, Brick Industry. Now, serial number 6, that none of the parties have any claim from each other in regards to the MS Bormon Brick Industry. So they have cancelled. It is signed all by all of them. But suddenly, what happened, my lord? Thereafter, the petitioner he has purchased the land after cancellation of agreement. Page 33. By this by this sale deed, registered sale deed, petitioner have purchased the land of Bipul Burman. He was the owner of the land and he started his business alone. He was the sole owner. Then the eighth said Tulsi Saha, well, he became to be an enemy of the petitioner. That is page 56. This Tulsi Saha issued a legal notice. After settling all this, my lord, they have settled the issue, cancelled the deed of agreement in 2022. Page 56, serial number, my lord, serial number 3, Sopial Sarkar. They have issued that's Tulsi Saha, my lord. Tulsi Saha, that is page 57, my lord, got it. Under instruction of my client Sri Tulsi Saha, this Tulsi Saha issued notice to us claiming amount page 59, my lord. Total ground 5 crore 57 lakh. Issued a legal notice, my lord. After settling all this, because he want some by way of wrongful gain, my lord, he wanted to AC. But I have replied page 60.
No, these are with Sopiu.
My lord, that's
Sopiu.
one, my lord.
Sopiu.
But
What your explanation with Mr. Haider?
Haider, my lord. What is
Haider,
the Haider?
there, my lord, Haider, page 59. See, Haider Ali and Salam, my lord, the payment made for purchase of coal for above 3 financial year, Haider Ali and Salam, 82 lakhs 20,900. After settling, if I have, or they have settled all this, the Haider Ali and he has the nexus. That is why for Haider Ali, he has issued legal notice to me. Now, legal notice says 82 lakhs 23,900. Haider Ali, as per Tulsi Shah. Now the Tulsi Shah is the person, is the very close person of Haider Ali. Now he managed to Haider Ali to lodge FIR against me. My lord, anyway, this is my submission. It is civil case. There is nothing criminal cause of action, my lord. Kindly come to FIR. That is page 17, my lord. They have attempted to color this civil case to, they attempted to color it criminal case, my lord. In this context, my lord, nothing, my lord, it is very much aware, my lord, from my limited understanding, section criminal breach of trust and cheating cannot come together. Where is the, my lord, for criminal breach of trust, section 18(2) of BNS.
Okay, yes, Sharma.
My lord, here from the particular of the FIR, my lord, it is itself so that my lord amount is huge amount, my lord, 1 crore something, my lord, that have to be paid by the present petitioner, my lord. And later part, my lord, 25 তাৰিখে সন্ধিয়া মই পদকীয়াৰ পৰা হাৰাগুলা বজাৰত পাবলগীয়া টকা বিচৰাত পদকীয়াই মোক অশ্লীল গালি গালাজ পাৰাৰ লগতে কেতিয়াবা টকা বিচাৰি আহিলে মোক গুলিয়াই হত্যা কৰাৰ ভাবুকি দিয়ে. That part is also there. Let me call for city, my lord. And from the city, it will be clear, my lord, how he is payable, my lord, how he is claimed, my lord. That is also, my lord, how
No,
much he
my
is
lord,
payable, my lord. That will
in
be
this
clear
case,
from the city, my lord.
I have some decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Okay, hard Mr.
My lord, I like to place some decision. It is
Civil.
absolutely civil.
You are Mr. Khandekar?
I'm a Khandekar.
Hard Mr. M. R. Khandekar. Mr. B. Sharma, United Nations. And from the plain reading of the FI itself, see that is a case of purely civil in nature, where some the demand was made for with the election, that monetary demand was made by the informant, which was due for supplying of brick to the present petition. Paper is submitted that initially there was an agreement between one we put for Mrs. Saha in the present petition to run a picket as well. But subsequently that agreement has been cancelled, and all the monetary issues were also set in the subsequently at the time of entering into the or cancellation at the time of cancellation. But subsequently, with the connivance of the present informant, the said process the legal notice claiming that payment is due either early or about 80 days. So this effort has been looked at some very sweet within it is not only the allegation, not only the allegation cheating of rupees more than 1 crore, but the allegation of criminal intimidation and the threatening part is also from the FI, for which the builder of the case has been getting sufficient value. It will be under interim protection. Appear before the head. Yes, Sharma,
My lord, 25th, my lord.
25.
I'm deeply.
May I plead your lordship?
Yes.
Your lordship, it's an anticipatory bail application, your lordship. Your lordship, here in this case, before we come to the FIR, it is important to know that, your lordship, the informant and accused petitioner number 1, your lordship, they are sisters, your lordship. And accused petitioner number 2 is the fiance of accused petitioner number 1, your lordship. Now, your lordship may come to the FIR, that is in page number 16, your lordship. My name is Sneha Bijborua, a resident of Dimau, Sibsagar, Assam. I am writing this application to formally lodge a complaint and seek urgent help regarding continuous harassment threats and serious safety concerns caused by Mr. Parash Pratim Sonwar. The harassment began in 2022, shortly after my mother passed away. At that time, I was only 16 years old and an orphan, which made me extremely vulnerable. Mr. Parash Pratim Sonwal, who is my elder sister, Miss Nigda Besborua's boyfriend, started sending me inappropriate messages. Using my sister's WhatsApp account, he proposed that I engage in physical relations with him. Due to my young age and difficult situation at that time, I was unable to take any action. After almost 2 years, on 24 August 2025, he again contacted me through my sister and repeated the same inappropriate proposal. When I protested against his behavior, he started threatening me. Following this incident, the Dimau police detained him. He apologized and gave a written statement promising that he would not contact or harass me again. However, after this incident, he continued to threaten my family members and friends, causing me severe mental harassment. He made threatening phone calls to my cousin brother and relatives who supported me during this situation. On 15 January 2026, he contacted my friend, Mr. Priyanshu Shrutikar, and threatened him for helping me. He also attempted to damage my reputation in front of him and even went to Priyanshu Shrutikar's house to intimidate him and stop him from supporting me. On 24 February 2026, he attacked my friend near Vineshwar Brahma Engineering College and openly stated his intention to harm me. On the same day, my friend filed an FIR against him in Kokrajhar. However, Kokrajhar police delayed the process and did not respond properly. The FIR has still been pending, has still been
Not been
not been registered by the Kokrajhar police. Additionally, we believe that he may have illegally accessed or manipulated my phone and collected private photos of my friend. recently he even posted some private photos of my friend Mr. Priyanshu Shrutikar. I extremely worried that he may also possess my private photos and may misuse them. Your Lordship, moreover, this is the allegation, Your Lordship. This is the FIR against the accused petitioner, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, however, the actual facts of the case are completely different, Your Lordship. The actual facts of the case are such that, Your Lordship, after the demise of the mother of the informant and accused petitioner number one and her fiance, Your Lordship, that is accused petitioner number two, they assumed the responsibility of the informant, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, and they acted as the guardian of the informant, Your Lordship. However, Your Lordship, the informant often, Your Lordship, acted rebelliously, Your Lordship, and she did not used to listen to her sister, Your Lordship, elder sister, that is the accused petition number one, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, soon after their mother's demise, Your Lordship, the informant, Your Lordship, she started a romantic relationship, Your Lordship, with one boy, Your Lordship. Considering her young age, Your Lordship, and realizing that the boy is not good for her future, Your Lordship, the elder sister, the accused petition number one, she being the elder sister, she objected, Your Lordship. However, the informant did not listen to her, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, later, Your Lordship, the accused petition number two, Your Lordship, she approached the informant and her boyfriend, Your Lordship, and confronted the same, Your Lordship. However, they took offense of it, Your Lordship, and Your Lordship, from there on, Your Lordship, disagreements and some, Your Lordship, fights escalated, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, later, under the influence of that boy, Your Lordship, the informant left the house, Your Lordship. And what she did, she asked for her property share, Your Lordship. To which, Your Lordship, the accused petition number one did not listen to her, Your Lordship, since she's at a very young age, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, therefore, Your Lordship, because of these reasons, they came up with this FIR, Your Lordship. This is the factual points of the case, Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship, if we see, the FIR is registered under three sections, Your Lordship. The sections are 75(2), 78(2), and 3512 of BNS, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, 78(2) is punishment for stalking, Your Lordship, which is bailable in nature, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, 351(2) is, Your Lordship, criminal intimidation. That is also bailable, Your Lordship. The only section that is non-bailable here is that, Your Lordship, section 75(2), Your Lordship. Now, section 75(2), Your Lordship, there are four ingredients for to attract the same section, Your Lordship. That is unwelcome physical contact or advances, Your Lordship, a demand or request for sexual favors, showing pornography, making sexual colored remarks. Your Lordship, here the only one element that can be that applies in this case, Your Lordship, a demand or request for sexual favors, Your Lordship. Now, again, Your Lordship, there is no direct allegation in the FIR that the accused petition number two has make any such demands directly to her. It has been stated that using her sister's phone, Your Lordship. It has been stated that using the phone of the accused petition number one, Your Lordship. However, again, Your Lordship, there is no direct allegation against the accused petition number one, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, considering all these material facts, Your Lordship, I request this court to grant protection, Your Lordship, so that they can appear before the IO and they can record their statement, they can record their version of the facts, so that Your Lordship, for a fair and fair conclusion of the case, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, here lordship, from the mere perusal of the my lord FIR, it reveals that my lord, after filing the my lord FIR, my lord, here page para 2, my lord, after almost 2 years, again, my lord, he again contacted me through my sister and repeated the same inappropriate proposal. When I protested against his behavior, he started threatening me. Following his incident, the Demo police detained him. He apologized and gave a written statement promising that he would not contact or harass me again.
Your Lordship,
Well, thereafter several occasions, the FIR itself, my lord, continuously harassing the informant, my lord. And 75 already read out, my lord, here 75 2, a demand or request for sexual favors that is attracted, my lord. And his conduct, my lord, after apologizing before the police station, my lord, and giving statement, my lord, he is again continuing, my lord. His conduct is, my lord, not satisfactory at present, my lord, from the FIR itself, my lord. Lordship, here, lordship, without going any interim protection, my lordship may call for CD, my lord. In 183 statement, if Here is nothing, my lord. Then Lordship may consider.
Your Lordship, one point here I would like to raise, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in the FIR, there has been mention of several FIRs, Your Lordship. There has been earlier incidents of lodging FIR or filing FIR, Your Lordship. However, if we read the FIR, Your Lordship, it is clear that no FIR were registered, Your Lordship. If there were merits, the FIR should have been registered, Your Lordship. Since no FIR had been registered, Your Lordship, it is clear that there is no merit. There were no merits in the earlier FIRs, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, therefore, there is no materials, Your Lordship. Protection may be given, Your Lordship. We will appear before the IO, Your Lordship, and we will cooperate with the investigation, Your Lordship.
Again, he will do again such type of activities. My lord. Again, he will continue.
Your name?
S. Rahman, Your Lordship.
Card Mr. S. Rahman, and also card Mr. P. Sharma, additional PP appearing on behalf of the it's an application. Swenson, the submitted Mr. Rahman that the present the present petitioners are the petition number 1 is the sister of the informant, and the petitioner number 2 is the fiancé of the petitioner number 1. After the demise of their mother, there was none to look after the informant, who was at very young age, and both the petitioners are being up, but replying their but during that period, she developed relationship with a boy, and with the ill advice of the said boy, she started quarreling with the petitioners, and also frequently placed demand for the property. As the petitioner was in very young age, not accepted by the petitioner number 1, who is her own sister. They posted thereafter with some false and allegations, and with the ill advice of the boyfriend, the present FIR has been instituted against both the petitioners. Mr. Rahman further submitted that the case is registered under section 75(2), 78(2), and 351(2) of BNSS, out of which 78 is available, and there is no such ingredient to fulfill section 75(2) BNS, except the demand of sexual favor. But both the accused petitioners are ready and willing to extend their cooperation in the further investigation of this case, and if they are granted with some interim protection. Mr. Sharma did submitted in this report. But from the plain reading of the FIR, it's seen that there are several allegations of several severe mental health, and from in the FIR is also brought the allegation that the present petitioner number 2 used to harass the informant, asking from her the physical favor, and which attracts physical sexual favor, which attracts this section 75(2) BNS. Mr. Sharma accordingly raised objection and submitted that CD may be called for to know the actual facts. Next, hearing this submission made by Lanik, considering the made consent against that, and this court is offering petition number 1 may be provided with some interim protection till the receipt of the case time. But this may not be a fit case to extend any interim protection. Will petition number 2 at this stage. Petition number 1 interim protection, petition number 2 need and CD be called. Yes, when it can be called for CD.
My lord. My lord. 22nd, my lord.
22nd.
22nd.
Petition number 1 will be an interim.
Highly upheld.
Lordship, pre-arrest bail applications notice.
Yes.
In presence of wife and mother, Lordship, one person killed by the miscreants, Lord. On the date of occurrence itself, Lordship, wife filed FIR wherein my name our name has not been mentioned. On the next day, Lordship, occurrence, mother filed FIR wherein also name of the petitioner is not mentioned. In both the cases, our name has not been mentioned. Lordship, meanwhile, police submitted charge sheet. In charge sheet, our name have been mentioned, Lord.
Charge sheet case.
Charge sheet.
Is it charged case?
Yes.
Charge sheet case.
So, Lordship, in both the cases, our name have not been mentioned. While, Lordship, some persons' name mentioned in the FIR, they got pre-arrest bail, Lordship. We have annexed that order also.
Whatever case is
Lordship,
already been
Lordship.
charged. It's from where it has been called for.
Dhubri.
Dhubri.
Right.
It's number 17. Scan copy of the TCI along with the case diary be called. Vestible we need. Yes. 15th of this month. Sarkar, we are giving on 15th of this month. 15th. 15th of May. What is the position? You have received the notice now?
Someone issued.
Someone you have issued.
Someone.
Okay, we'll see.
Right.
May please, madam. This is 482 application, my lord. FR is page 12. Allegation level, my lord, in FIR, my lord, 27 lakhs taken for supplying fake gold. For supplying fake gold, my lord, 27 lakhs taken, my lord, one of the from Maharashtra, my lord.
From Maharashtra?
Yes, my lord. From Maharashtra came to Assam, my lord. My lord, he came from Maharashtra to Assam. In Gauhati, not also, my lord, to Vishwanath, my lord. In Maharashtra, there is a lot of jewelry shop, my lord. But my lord came to purchase, my lord, to Vishwanath. He has also no clean hand, my lord. That is, but as per my affair, my name is not here, my lord.
So why you are apprehending now?
Yes, my lord.
So why
My
apprehending
lord,
here?
this incident happened in my lord Vishwanath, my lord. Vishwanath, my lord. There, my lord, one is arrested, one woman, my lord. She is my in love relationship, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, police searching me, my lord. And for that ground, my lord, I filed this petition.
Name is here. One Rahul.
Yes, my lord. Rahul and Deep Gogoi, my lord. Deepu Gogoi, my lord. From mobile number, this mobile number also not my lord.
He informed me that he was a resident of Assam.
Yes.
And during that house excavation,
My lord,
during work, he had discovered approximately 1 kg of raw gold.
My lord. It has came to a phone to everyone, my lord.
He offered to sell me.
My lord.
Yes, my lord.
Thereafter, my lord, one person sent to the my lord, Assam, my lord. It was found origin, my lord, genuine, my lord.
He insisted that it was genuine.
Thereafter, my lord, fake gold sold to him, showing the origin, my lord, genuine gold.
Pramod Jadhav, and he said Pramod Jadhav, my lord. One Jafar Munga, my lord, he is also there, my lord.
Yes, Sharma.
My lord, here, although his name is not here, my lord, at present, my lord, some associates are there, my lord.
Yes,
2-3 associates are there, my lord. Last para in page 12, my lord. And such type of offense are happening in present, my lord, in the parts of my lord. in several parts of Assam, my lord.
Importer is
And
half of this.
showing the, my lord, genuine gold. They have sold the, my lord, fake gold, my lord. And it is amounting to be 27 lakhs.
Yes, my lord. If my lord genuine gold was 1 kg gold was not for 27 lakhs, my lord. If, my
Whatever,
lord,
maybe, but
1 kg gold, my lord, can be purchased in 27 lakhs. He is also not, my lord, in clean hand, my lord. From Maharashtra to Assam, there is 4-5 steps process. Is there jewelry, not jewelry shop, my lord? There is lot of jewelry shop, my lord. But he also not, my lord, in clean hand, my lord. He also, my lord,
whatever, maybe, my
he,
lord,
if my lord assume that is true, my lord, he is also not, my lord, clean hand, my lord.
at this stage,
He also
we are
came from
proceeding.
fraud, my lord. That is, my lord. At this is, my lord, and this, my lord, are, my lord, all are, my lord, below 7, up to 7 years, my lord, crime, my lord. There is no 35(3) notice was given to my lord. Only, my lord, police, that is, my lord. There should be 35(3) notice should be given, my lord, up to 7 years, my lord, crime also. That is,
Lordship, we are
What will
proceeding.
you disclose before the IO? You did not know, you do not know anything.
yes, my lord.
Then
My lord, because my lord, I am, my
for
lord,
your
searching
situation,
on
what
behalf
we
of, my
have,
lord,
eh?
one of, my lord, my lovely relation with what where my lord incident was, my lord, happened, my lord.
He was involved.
Yes, my lord. For that, my lord, police searching.
You got an entry. Yes, he will be under interpretation. Let him appear. When it can be?
My lord, 25th, my lord.
25th of May.
My lord.
Abide by all conditions.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, your lordship has granted interim bail to one of the co-accused. The FIR is at page 74. I am not naming the FIR, my lord. The person who was assaulted by the public, my lord, he was injured, released from hospital, then took possession of the land. But your lordship will find the persons who have been named at page 75, most of them have been arrested. They are the local office bearers of a club. The land grabbers came to grab the land, they assaulted them. Then your lordship will find there's no order. One of the co-accused your lordship has granted interim. Your lordship may kindly look into the order. Or a copy put on the into. Your lordship has noted that this person was also not named in the FIR, and I am also not named. And coupled with the fact, my lord, on the day of the alleged incident, I was appearing in a MSCT case as a owner of the vehicle. That reference is at page 96, my lord. This is the order sheet of the court in Meghalaya, my lord.
96.
96. So, my lord, your lordship may fix the matter along with this matter on 12/5/2026, and your lordship may kindly protect this person in the interim. I'll abide by all the conditions that your lordships have mentioned in paragraph number 6 of the bail order.
Why is the apprehension of your arrest?
My lord, the police have
Not there.
My lord, what happened? We are all the members of the local club area. My residence is one kilometer away from the place of occurrence. But anyone who is associated with the club, the police have summoned it. The office bearer, president, vice president, we have annexed a forwarding report. They have all been arrested. So just like the other person, my lord, he has appeared that if I'm
The
detained.
land belong to one club.
No, that belonged to someone, a person named, you know, Anil Bharali. And he has also filed a civil suit. This land grabbers, they came and tried to grab the land, and they chased away the tenant. Then they came and shouted, this local people trashed this land grabber. He was assaulted, he was hospitalized. All the office bearers of the club have been arrested. And there was a Bihu function.
You're saying who is the land grabber? The victim?
Victim. And now after coming there, when all these club members have gone inside the jail, he has again grabbed the land after release from the hospital. Now the owner is contemplating to file a civil suit and also filed a complaint before the commissioner of police. There's a known Mati Dalal in that area. But whatever be it, your lordship may look into the case diary. I am not naming the FI. And on the day of the alleged occurrence, I was appearing in the court at Meghalaya. I have given the order sheet and I was not present at the place of occurrence. Actually, FIR was also lost by his brother, who is the doctor in that hospital where he was admitted. Simple injury, they made it grievous. And the person whom your lordship has granted bail, there is even a mistaken identity show for he is concerned, Arup Sharma and Arup Goswami. Everyone is cooperating with the investigation, but since the club office bearers, president, secretary, everyone has been arrested. That's why, my lord, the apprehension that the persons who are associated with the club may also be arrested.
These attackers are stated to be the club members.
Yes, my lord. And I am the assistant secretary of that Sujoday Yuva Sangha and a local businessman, my lord. But I was not present on the place of occurrence on that LHD, my lord.
It's from our what?
Bookish domain.
Kamrup Metro. Bookish domain. The same matter fixed on 12/5, my lord. Actually fixed on the same day, my lord, following that case there.
Senior assisted by
Miss S. Jane.
S.
Miss S. Jane.
Miss S. Jane, Lieutenant also Mr. P. Sharma, Lieutenant submitted Lieutenant Senior Counsel. Reason said that he is not he was before species as no. However, the victim was that victim is a known land grabber in the locality, and with a view to grab the land of one Anil Baral, he came there with some persons when some club members were present there. But the present petitioner is moving and getting the arrest. However, he also being one of the club members.
Assistant secretary, my lord.
Assistant secretary of club name of the club.
Sujoday Yuva Sangha.
Secretary of Sujoday Yuva Sangha.
And a local businessman.
Police is also searching for him. Searching for some of the this where the safe club Mr. Kumar submitted that such grievous injury sustained by the victim. Rather, after some treatment provided in the hospital, he came out and again he grabbed the land of said
Anil Bharli.
And for which he is supposed to file a civil suit against the president. However, some Mr. Sharma did not and city may be called for at stage to know the actual fact of the case, where the allegation of grievous assault been brought against the serious direction of the improv. The hearing is sufficient. There's some protection may be provided so that he can appear and cooperate. He will be under interim protection.
Yeah,
provided-
obligement. Paragraph number 6 is there. Oblige your.
Section my lord 12.
Oh, sorry.
Along with
Along with
Along with AP 809 oblique 2026.
Please, your lordship. Your lordship will find the FIR on page 18, your lordship.
18.
Yes, your lordship. Allegation under section 127 to 189 to 74, 76, 304 to 117, subsection 2, 308, subsection 2, 351, subsection 2. Your lordship, there has been allegation of a fight, your lordship, and in the meantime, your lordship, if your lordship move on to the FIR, your lordship will find from the second para, I am reading it out, your lordship. Today at about 7:54 a.m., when the tender work was started, as usual at the said village, the following accused number 1, Ijabuddin 6, accused number 2, accused number 3, accused number 4, and accused number 5 physically assaulted Julie Khatun, wife of Musarraf Hussain, a panchayat member, and torn her clothes with hand and touched her private parts in order to outragging her modesty, causing physical injury on her person. Again, the accused number accused number 1, 2, 4, the accused number 6, 5, the accused number 7, accused number 8, accused number 9, accused number 10, accused number 11 physically assaulted Musarraf Hussain, son of Nurul Haq, causing injury on his person and snatch away the MI mobile handset by the accused number 3 and the accused number 4. All these accused person physically assaulted Nazir Hussain and caused his injury grievously. In course of physical assault, they had demanded amount rupees 1 lakhs only from the injured person for carrying the tender work and threatened the injured person to stop the construction work, which is the government tender work. In view of the above, your lordship, this FIR was filed, your lordship. Now the thing is that if your lordship go to the FIR, your lordship will find there was a fight. Now there was also snatching. Now in the meantime, while fighting, they were also demanding money. Your lordship says there is almost other section, there is no injuries because there was no fight, there was a simple quarrel, your lordship. In order to make it non-bailable, the omen part and the extortion part has been added. Now the thing is that, your lordship, accused number 2, which I have annexed it, your lordship, he is a headmaster of a school, your lordship. The thing is that these are political goons, your lordship. They have formed a nexus. They were committing corruption while constructing the work. There were financial misconduct, your lordship. This aware person, they objected, you cannot construct the road this way. Your lordship, in order to intimidate them, your lordship, this FIR has been filed, your lordship. Now this headmaster and the aware people, your lordship, they are, your lordship, being threatened by the police, your lordship. There's no such incidents, your lordship. If your lordship even call for the medical report, your lordship will find there is no injury because no fight has taken place, your lordship. And all these extortion, all these things, your lordship, this headmasters and his associates will not do, your lordship. They are aware people of the locality, your lordship, who have just objected that you cannot construct and you cannot commit such financial misconduct while constructing this road, your lordship. That's the only issue, your lordship. And your lordship, the persons who have been, who are the victims, your lordship, they have not lost this FIR, your lordship. The other person who has got vested interest in the tender work, your lordship, has to intimidate them. He has lost this FIR in order to intimidate them so that the tender work, this work can be done as per his whims and fancies, your lordship. So at this stage, your lordship, I am paying for protection, your lordship. May call for the case diary, your lordship will find, your lordship, nothing such.
Hakimuddin has lost the FIR.
Yes, your lordship. But he has lost this FIR. He has shown victim to one Julie Khatun, one Nazir Hussain, one someone. But those people have never come forward, your lordship, to lose this FIR. There was a quarrel. Now, since this person has lost interest in this work, your lordship, he has lost this FIR. And this is a nexus, your lordship. They who does such things, your lordship, and commit such kind of corruption, your lordship. The thing is that this road passed in front of the house of this headmaster. He objected. You cannot construct this work in this way. So he's a known person, he's an aware citizen, Your Lordship. He has objected. And for that person, in order to intimidate him, Your Lordship, this FIR has been filed.
Then why you remain silent after the objection if there is quarrel?
Yes, sir.
If you are I mean, responsible person of that locality, you would have approached the government or the other agency.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But
Your Lordship,
you
I have
not
also
done
filed.
this.
Your Lordship, I have also filed an FIR, Your Lordship. But that FIR has not been received. Then, Your Lordship, from the next day onwards, Your Lordship, we are government employees, Your Lordship. We don't want to, the accused number 2 is a government employee. He is a headmaster. He don't want to enter into a quarrel. The quarrel was initiated by them. The fight was initiated by them. He took the back foot thereafter. And Your Lordship, now he is, especially the accused number 2, he's under the apprehension that if he gets arrested here, his service will be jeopardized and all these things, Your Lordship.
My lord, here, all the accused person are FIR name, my lord. All of them are the accused person. Here is the FIR. And second person, 2 offenses are found out here from the mere perusal of the FIR, my lord. Here, one is the accused number 2, the present headmaster, and 1, 3, 4, all of 5, all of them, my lord, torn her cloth and hand and touches a private parts that are outraging the modesty of the woman, my lord, that part. And another part, they have also assaulted 2 persons, my lord, and also they have demanded 1 lakh rupees, my lord. And from the FIR, my lord, all of them involved in this case, my lord, and let the CDB come, my lord. And from the CD, it will be clear, my lord, how they have involved, my lord. And regarding the injury report also.
Your Lordship,
call
even
for my-
regarding the injury report, Your Lordship, 117 subsection 2, Your Lordship, it is a bailable section, Your Lordship.
Whatever maybe.
Your Lordship. And so, Your Lordship, since there was no injury involved, Your Lordship, the other elements has been put in this affair just to attract non-bailable section and to threaten the petitioners, Your Lordship, to the police, Your Lordship.
That we had that except for it, such wait, being here, please, in current savings by approved by the and for that the very warrant warrant that there are no such incident and there is however that is different if there is some yes but if that is that there is the outfit you will be under interim protection till receive. There will be some conditions about by out. Just when it
That means, my lord, 25th month.
Nightly Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is a regular bill application, Lordship. FIR has page 12, Lordship. Petition is behind the bar for last 55 days, Lordship. Page 12 is the may I read the FIR, Lordship?
Yes.
সন্মানপূৰ্বক মিনিট নিবেদন এই যে যোৱা ইংৰাজী 8-3-2026 তাৰিখে ৰাতি প্ৰায় 8মান বজাত প্ৰায় 9জন অচিনাকি দুৰ্বৃত্তই মোৰ ঘৰৰ দৰ্জা খুলি ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত প্ৰৱেশ কৰি মোৰ স্ত্ৰী শ্ৰীমতী কল্পনা চাহাক ডেগাৰ দেখুৱাই গডৰেজৰ চাবি খুজি লৈ নিম্নলিখিত মাল গডৰেজৰ পৰা বাহিৰ কৰি লৈ তেওঁলোক ঘৰৰ পৰা ওলাই যায়। পৰিয়ালৰ লোকক মাৰপিট কৰা নাই, কিন্তু মোৰ স্ত্ৰীৰ মুখত কাপোৰ খোৱা দিছিল। This is the allegation against the petitioner, Lordship, against the some person's Lordship, but my name not in the affair, Lordship. And I am behind for last 55 days, Lordship. And
case diary received, my lord. And my lord, police, my lord, arrested the accused person, my lord, while he is trying to sell some of the ornaments, my lord, and he was at that point of time caught red-handed by the police, my lord. And there are materials against the accused
Caught
person.
red-handed.
Yes. While he is trying to sell
sell.
and some of
sell some gold ornaments.
yes. And some of the articles, my lord, stole on that case is registered under section 312, my lord, 3102, my lord. And police has also recovered some of the, my lord, articles from the present accused person. He is also earlier also involved in, my lord, one another case, my lord.
that is actually alpha, sorry.
Is there any possibility of further seizure from or further recovery from the present petitioner or his tenant? How many persons got arrested?
Total now, my lord, police has arrested 3 persons. One Nokibul and other 2 persons arrested, my lord, here from the case diary, my lord. Investigation and some of the, my lord, looted articles already recovered and some recovered from the present accused persons. From the present accused persons, my lord, 3 numbers of kharu, 1 broken red colored kharu.
One broken red color.
Yes, ring. 3 numbers of bangles in bracket kharu made like gold. 1 broken red colored kharu broken in 7 pieces with metal like gold design with golden thread like 5 pieces. And others, my lord, 1 mobile phone and, my lord, some cash money of rupees.
My instruction is that, my lord, these are not the stolen articles, my lord. These are the articles of myself, Lordship. Actually, my lord. Police, my lord, wrongly arrested me, and my lord, my articles has been, my lord.
His statement is also there, my lord. He
this is my instruction, Lordship.
Statement of other witnesses who were arrested, my lord. 1 Nokibul from Nokibul, also some of the articles recovered, my lord.
I am 55 days behind the bar, Lordship.
And in fact, my lord,
further custodial detention may not be required, Lordship, because 55 days, my lord, it is enough, Lordship.
and in his statement also, he has stated how he, along with other accused persons, my lord, committed the offense on that day, my lord.
In 55 days, my lord, kindly consider my length of detention, Lordship.
Case of dacoity, my lord.
Police got the sufficient time, Lord. Police, that may be considered, Lordship.
The articles were not yet given Jimmana.
Yes, Lord.
There is no Jimmana.
Some of the articles, my lord, seized from one notable that those articles were identified by the my lord.
But my articles, which is from my person, it is not identified, my lord, because it is.
Question of my lord, identification regarding those articles, my lord. That is a separate matter, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, there are other materials against the accused person.
My lord, that is why, my lord, I am saying that my instruction is that is not the stolen property, lordship. So, my lord, my submission is that my prayer is that my lord, 55 days behind the bar, police got sufficient time, lordship. So, my lord, on that ground, maybe I will allowed to go on any condition. I will cooperate, lordship, in the remaining part of the investigation, lordships. Kindly consider, my lord, 55 days. This is enough, lordship. So,
Initially, my lord, the informant who, in fact, my lord, identified, my lord, one of the accused, my lord, called Bhikkhu, my lord, his name I just, my lord, is there, my lord, thereafter at that point of time, because my lord, they knows he is a businessman, my lord, and thereafter, my lord, after police initially arrested him, thereafter, my lord, all these accused persons, my lord, were later on arrested, and during he was the present petitioner was caught red-handed, my lord. Some of these seized articles also recovered. One notable from notable also. Some of the seized articles recovered. Those articles were identified by the accused, and in their statement, my lord, in the statement of Zakir, the present accused, he in fact, my lord, stated in detail, my lord, how on that particular day, my lord, he along with other his co-accused, my lord, persons, my lord, committed the dacoity on the residence.
The article from which I recovered from my project is not identified, my lord. This is, as my instruction, it is his article, lordship. You want kindly consider only 55 days, my lord.
Which are not the theft goods, and those are not yet by the sub as part of the instructions. The petitioner either is not which is seized by police. However, he submitted that petitioner is in custody. This 5 days the IO for petitioner should keeping for yes, bring their support that articles seized from his possession as some seized from one of the co-accused people and already been identified by the minister. The medicine is that he is a health and of its similar nature. Students support it is that present there is is that there is a great type going with it into the other sides it's considering the tank put that the Okay, you were granted bail. Whose satisfaction this is? Rula.
CGM, Chief Judicial Magistrate, Dorong Mongol Lordship.
CTM Dorong.
I am deeply obliged, Lordship.
May I place your Lordship? Lordship, prayed 430, prayed regular bail application, your
Yes.
Lordship. Lordship, there are two affairs concerning the same.
Well, my lord, case diary not received, my lord.
Not received.
Lordship, one by the informant and an other by the petitioner number 3, your Lordship.
Yes, we call most probably was one.
Both sides
Only was
sustained
one
injuries.
Mankatar PS case number 41.
Yes, Lordship. And 42, Lordship. Two affair registered, Lordship.
42 also. 42 was also called for.
One by the informant and other by the petitioner number 3, your Lordship.
Cross case was there.
Cross case was there. Lordship, both
That was not called-
both sides sustained injury, Lordship.
Your
Only
42.
one CD
Both
was
are Lordship family member, Lordship.
It's okay, but 42 was not called for. No?
no, my lord, only one CD was called for on 23/4/26.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you got arrested on which date? 28.
28. Lordship may consider behind the bar 39 days, Lordship. Both are family member, Lordship. Certain cruel start, Lordship.
What to do, family members are there? It is the first date only.
Yes, my lord.
Can we call for the 42 also, or what to do?
Yes, my lord, if he wants, then my lord, both may be called.
You want to call the 42 also?
Lordship.
Say do not proceed. Issue remind me. Further considering this request made by the learned counsel, further considering the submission made by learned petitioner, let the Mankachar PS case number 42 of the 2026 be also be called for.
Lordship, behind the bar 39 days, Lordship.
Also be called. The investigating officer is thereby directed to send the case diary on or before the next date of yes, when it can be, is in 39.
On my lord,
May take
15th,
some
15th of May.
Lordship may short date, Lordship. Already
May not
behind the
reach.
bar
Again,
39.
same order will be passed. It may not reach. If we go by
90 days of
11, we can give, but 11, 2 days there are holidays, so it may not reach also. 12, I don't know. 40 can be.
12, Lordship.
So I don't think so. 41.
Today is 5th. 13th, my lord, I can try on.
Okay, then we'll try on 30.
Lordship.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, it is a regular bail application.
The position of 35.
The petitioner is behind the bar 55 days today.
Hmm.
And the FIR in this FIR, the petitioner name has not been reflected. My lord. Kindly see the FIR, my lord, page 9, my lord.
Hmm.
May I read, my lord?
You are Sofil Ali.
I am Sofil Ali. I am not the FIR name with my
Yes.
Lordship. Sir, I am the Azmat Ali, son of Nawab Ali, resident of village Kopnikusi, PS Hazo district, Kamrup. I am writing this letter to inform you about a heinous crime committed against my sister, Suburi Begum, aged about 38 years, daughter of late Sadhu Ali. My sister is a mentally ill person and she was unable to protect herself. Today, 10/3/2026 at about 2 p.m., I learned that a group of unknown miscreants attacked my sister in Mukalma Bazar and brutally tied her to a pole and assaulted her with sticks and sharp weapons on the groundless and false charge of being a human trafficker. During the attack, the assailants stripped her clothes in public place and sexually assaulted her. The brutal beating left her with serious injuries all over her body and broken facial teeth. Fortunately, a team of police rescued and rushed her to Mukalma Model Primary Health Center. She was rushed to Nalbari Medical College and Hospital due to serious injuries, where she is currently undergoing treatment. Therefore, I request you to register this complaint against the unknown preparators involved in this incident. I also argue you to identify all the culprits who led the mad crowd and those who video recorded this incident and take appropriate legal action
to give justice to my sister. That is the FIR, my lord. And I am on the date of occurrence, my lord, I go to the market, my lord. It is a weekly market, Mukalma Bazaar, my lord, and purchase some vegetable and goods, my lord. And at about 2 p.m., my lord, hearing hue and cry, now thousands of people are gathering here, my lord. I am the victim of the circumstances because I am also present in the place of occurrence, brother. But I am nothing, neither assault nor taking any videograph of to the accused person, my lord. Due to videograph, my lord, I am also gathering thousands of people, my lord. So I am the witness of the incident, my lord. That is why the police arrested me, my lord. And during the after the arrest, my lord, when the forwarding, I was forwarded, my lord. The police never asked for remand, my lord. And I am not involved in this matter, my lord. That's my humble submission. And I am behind about 55 days, my lord, to the
Yes, that initially, my lord, immediately after they brutally assaulted my lord, a group of persons, my lord, assaulted that my lady, my lord, ancient lady. Thereafter, my lord, she was initially admitted in Nalbari Medical College and Hospital. My lord, thereafter, she was referred to the my lord, GMCH. But regarding that report, not yet received. And thereafter, police has also my lord, video footage of that pen drive, that of that incident, my lord. So from the video footage, my lord, all these accused persons, my lord, thereafter police in search of all these accused persons. And although witnesses, my lord, some of the accused persons who were arrested, accused persons named the present person who accused was also there on that day. My lord. And
I'm
regarding
admitting, my lord, I was present at the
yes.
market.
And now from that video footage, my lord, after getting that video footage, from that video footage, police is in charge of these accused persons.
And behind about 55 days, my lord, I am the victim of circumstances because I was present on the incident. At the time of incident, I was present, my lord. But nothing, my lord, from my part, nothing assault, neither videograph nor assault, my lord. The victim, my lord.
Group of persons, my lord, brutally, my lord, assaulted an insane lady, my lord. A group of
Now, nowadays, some
in that, my lord, Mukalmo market, my lord, that
human
incident
trafficking is
happened, my lord.
on the surface.
Initially, she was tied in a light post, my lord. Thereafter, those accused person, group person, my lord, assaulted.
Sorry, but as he was present in that at the time, but he, he was also seen in he got arrested in connection with this. The police remand was asked at the time of his arrest. So considering his claim, he may still be here willing to extend his cooperation in this case. If he is done, this would be that the police did be mentally retarded book was also tied on a lamppost and she was brutally assaulted with the allegation of child. Assault by the present petition, the basis of the CCTV hearing is that Yes, yes. Without going detail into the other merits of this case, it is said that the petitioner is in custody since last 5 years, and thus the IO got sufficient opportunity. Where the case is from, which place?
CGM Nalbari.
Okay, your committal court, public trial court, had issued summonses against the present petitioner, asking them to appear before the learned trial court below to commit the same. Thus, it is seen that in spite of the expense of the, in spite of this showing the present accused petitioner as a respondent, no steps has been taken by the learned trial court below. No steps like the learned trial court below only issued the summons against the present petitioner. So, considering all aspects of the case and on perusal of the case record, it is seen that during the investigation, the accused petitioner did not cooperate with the investigation team. Two, they are the prime suspect of the murder, wherein one person was murdered due to business rivalry. The statement of the co-accused may not be a piece of evidence or may not be admissible at the eye of law, but during the investigation, the statement of the co-accused persons were also recorded, and on the basis of which also the body of the deceased was recovered, wherein it was stated to be kept by the
The body not recovered on the statement basis of statement below.
how it was recovered?
It was recovered thereafter the FIR was registered below.
It's okay. Then
It was not recovered, to my understanding. To my
maybe the other source was
other.
recovered Papa Corona. To land to Kathy, but which no, to recover expense and which corroborate the statement made by the co-accused persons during the investigation. Next, considering these aspects of this, it is seen that may not be a case wherein it can be held directly that there is no evidence at all against the privacy, there is no evidence at all against the present petitioner to file charge sheet or to frame charge against them. However, considering the submission made by an responsible petition, the police is hereby asked not to take any corrosive action against the present petitioner, and they will be under provided some interim protection is provided to the present petitioners, and they will appear before the learned trial court of the committal court below with a appropriate action bail, which may be considered in accordance with law, and till the next date of listing, till the next date fixed by the learned trial court below, the petitioners will be under interim protection and no corrosive action shall be taken against them. We are not inclined to give you any protection till committal court. We are only give you simple protection till appearance before the learned trial court will or till the next date of listing.
The only thing, learned trial court will not have the power to grant me bail. So
Yes,
kindly
okay. You fail the consequence. Yes. Yeah, we do. No, understand. Cancellation of bill. No. Okay. Right. CD
They are interim, my lord.
not received.
CD notice, my lord.
And periods of issue reminder. Yes, term when it
My lord. From Nagaon, my lord. 20, my lord. 20.
they are interim, let it be.
Interim, my lord. My lord. 26, my lord.
Interim be continued.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Uh,
In this case, IA is filed for suspension of sentence, Lordship.
Yes, Pooja Agarwal was appointed as an amicus. She is not here. She is not here. Are you going to argue this? Yes, hearing he is most probably pressing the I.
Yes, Lord.
I is for most probably suspension.
Suspension, yes, Lord.
I or that way we cannot because she has some problem today. We have to tomorrow may not be possible. Since when you are in custody?
Lordship,
Date of judgment,
date
my
of
lord.
judgment.
24th October, my lord. 25.
24th
6 months.
Okay, then it can be. Wait. Otherwise, we have received the case.
Record it, my
record,
lord.
yes,
Record
Lordship.
it.
Then it can be heard also.
Well, in the last occasion, it was Latima kindly pay the last
Reflected.
order,
Then
my lord.
why you are pressing that?
Last
If
order,
the
my
order
lord.
is there only.
No, both the option were open, man. In the last order, my lord.
Oh, acha. That is the issue.
That's why it is come for orders, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, everything is ready, my lord. 6 years
Yes.
conviction, my lord. POCSO 10, my
How many years?
lord. 6 years conviction, my
6
lord.
years.
My lord.
Yes,
Okay,
Lord.
okay.
Submit verbal submission. You are going to.
No,
You have not filed any written.
no, no, my lord. We are from record with
Can be heard finally.
my lord.
Because order is also in that manner, but yes, obviously there
Right.
is an in alternative is there. What do you say?
You are like to place
It is
IA
not
or
because that
finally
your
heard.
petitioner is in custody for more than 1 year or 2
Mhm.
years. She is in custody most probably maybe for 5-6 months maybe. If he is in custody since October, then maybe for 5-6 months, or maybe more, 6-7 months.
6 months.
Can be heard. Tell us.
Then, Lordship, together, Lordship.
Together means I don't know.
I didn't hear you.
Okay, Lordship.
It may be heard finally. That's what
Finally.
I'm saying. Okay.
For disposal of the whole.
Because we are ready for hearing. His record is already there.
Yes, Lord. Then, Lordship, fix another date, Lordship.
How we are
Because
going to
the amicus curiae also not present today.
you are Mr. MK.
DJ Boro, Lordship.
B.
D.
D board.
DJ.
It's a DJ board. Card Mr. DJ board. You learn it also for equal. Also card Mr. You learn it everyone. And MS your S. Appearing on behalf of P. Agarwal. They learn it. Micros for the responsible. The case TCR has already been received and the accordingly had raised the panel here. In view of this, the raised is hereby directed to raise the matter for final hearing along with IA criminal 1330 oblique hearing date. Hearing date. 26 May is the hearing date. This accordingly on 26. Our IFL as the case is ready for final hearing. As the connected appeal is ready for final hearing, let the interlocutory application be also be heard along with the connected criminal appeal for 3 of the right? And this the matter on 26/05/86 along with criminal.
Lordship, can it be in the month of June, Lordship, if possible, Lordship? Because 26, I'm not available.
In that case, it will be on 11th of
Okay, Lord.
11th.
Last month.
After some, the Ahmed is coming.
Who is coming?
Ahmed. Ajad Ahmed. Is for respond number
Ahmed
2.
is for the petitioner.
Respond number 2. Respond number 2.
Respond number 2. Who is for the petition?
Lord.
The bail cancellation was filed by whom?
I'm in Lord.
Or you are the petition?
Yeah, I'm petition. And
He
they
is for
file
respond number 2.
2. They
And
file
Mr. Mohanto's name is also there. He is also respond number 2.
no, Lordship. I'm for Mohammed for petitioner, Your Lordship, for cancellation.
Yeah, you are for the cancellation. Oh, acha, acha.
They file a IA instead of filing an objection, Your Lordship. They filed the IA for dismissal of the my application, Your Lordship.
Or?
Dismissal of my application, bail cancellation.
Why your oral submission will do, your verb submission will do? Why you have filed IA, one separate IA? Why? Why it is there? No, why IA is there? They have filed a petition for cancellation of bail.
Yes, Lord.
So you'll get the ample opportunity to raise objection, whatever.
Yes.
It's up to you. So for cancellation, the dismissal of you file a separate IA.
No, we have filed IA for to bring some record, man. That's all right. They file for IA for dismissal of my application. They can file an objection in my application. Lordship. Lordship, Ferus.
Anyway, you have to take both the IAs and your application.
Lordship, they take with my IA in my application.
So let's forget about IA. They will make submission. I will be hearing the IA today. So your bail cancellation petition is 1/2025.
Yes, Lordship.
It is your bail application.
Lordship.
Wherein you are the petitioner.
Lordship.
For cancellation of bail.
Lordship.
And they are the others.
They yes.
And state is also respond number 1, I think.
Yeah, Lord.
For sometime he say he can start. You are going to start the matter or?
Lordship, let him come, Lordship. That will be better. My senior also.
No, we are not on that case. If hearing your case, then it will be left over. Because we have some hearing item now. We don't have any other alternative.
Then Lordship.
Another date maybe given.
Another date.
Why?
Lordship. My senior is also, he also lacks on the important planning. Lordship.
We have, if we go by our causes, then
Lord.
only hearing items are there. So we will proceed with the hearing now.
Lord.
So in that case, if hearing proceeds, then your matter
Lord.
may not reach. I don't know when it will be in that case. Otherwise, we are ready to hear.
Mm.
Yes, if you also receive, tell us. Or you can start.
Lordship, next week, any Lordship.
Huh?
Next week, Lord. That will be.
So what will you do? You are going to retain Bota Court. Next week, I don't know. Yes.
I will have to return the
He's saying maybe either 14th or 15th. Can it be written up to 14th or 15th? Return back is again another problem. Why another problem? Because returning back and coming back, it may not reach also.
Well,
In that case, we have to give you a date a bit. If you are going to return the case, then if you retain, then we can give 14 or 15. Okay, then you can retain. authorization. However, it is submitted. What the CD already CD received. This is the matter according on 14th. 15th of
14, can it be 14 months?
14, 14, 14. Okay. For the petitioner will be okay for 14.
Lordship.
But I have not passed any order on retaining and all. We just
For hearing item number 28.
Wait, please.
28. You are for the petitioner. Who are
I am for
other
the
side?
petitioner. Yes, my lord.
No, just a second. Who are for the other side?
Lordship, sometimes Lordship, scenery is another problem.
Sometimes we are not here.
Here, I would like to make one submission.
No, whatever you make submission, but the question is this, sometimes we cannot pass any order. For timing, we cannot keep it.
No, that is why, my lord, what I'm about to say is that there is a matrimonial appeal which is pending between the parties. It is already admitted by the division bench. It is next listed on 14th of July. 14th of July, my lord.
14th of July.
And there, my lord, the very validity and legitimacy of the marriage is under contest. I am the appellant in the matrimonial appeal, my lords. My suit was rejected by the family court. I am in appeal. Appeal has been admitted. It is listed on the 14th of July. What my humble submission is that, my lord, since both the matters are connected with each other, let this matter be listed after that matter, because ultimately the claim for maintenance of a Muslim wife, the first criteria is that there is to be a valid marriage, and that was initially the claim in the maintenance petition. I am not on quantum. I am on the liability to pay only. That is why, my lord, there is an interim order protecting me
But
till
the
the
stay is still operating.
Yes, there is a stay in this petition.
Stay is there.
There is a stay in this petition. So, my lord, if
It
the
is on 14 June, then definitely after 14 June, which we are long date for. Yes, what do you want to submit? He is saying that a matter is pending
they are appearing in the other matter also. They have
in the matrimonial appeal.
Mr. F. Hawk is appearing. He is appearing. The matter is listed for hearing otherwise that date before the division bench.
It is on 14th of June.
14th of July. July, my lord. After the
Right.
summer vacation, yeah.
Then what do you want to submit?
Let me
No, he is saying that after 14th of July.
No, before that may be given.
Let it be given. I will repeat my submission on the next date. Ultimately, it's up to the court. My lord. I cannot insist on that. But since both the issues are connected together, both the matters are connected together, so it would perhaps be in the fitness of things to take up this matter after the hearing in the matter appeal. Because matter appeal also, both parties are represented and the record is also come. So,
You're challenging the validity of the marriage also.
yes, my very contest, my lord, is to the validity of the marriage, that there was never any valid marriage. And in fact, my lord, we can show, though I'm not on merits right now because his senior is not here. I'm not going to say anything. But or your lordship will perhaps list it after two weeks or so.
Next week. Next week.
No. Can it be on June?
June, yes, in the month.
First week of June, say first week.
Yes.
4th of
Lordship, 4th of June.
So we are listing it on 4th of June.
4th of June.
You also submit because he is submitting that the matter relates to the matrimonial issue. The appeal is there. So there are some issues in regards to your validity of marriage, or those issues have already been taken by him. So it seems that there may be some relation with both the matters. So let your senior be submitted what we submitted.
Yes.
It can be disposed of then.
If my matter appeal
Otherwise,
is if my matter appeal is dismissed, then I have no defense in this case. And if it is allowed, then they would have to, my lord, prove something else. My lord, so let it be listed on 4th of June. My lord.
4th of
June.
31 legal aid council is also there. And you are the legal aid. Yes, Mr.
Madam,
Yes, you can start.
Yeah, conviction under POCSO, my lord, section 10.
Section 10.
10, 10 POCSO, punishment is of 7 years, and section 341, punishment of 500 rupees, as well as 354A. My lord, incident is on a morning, January morning at around 6 o'clock. Well, mother says it's 8 o'clock in the morning. The victim says it's 6 o'clock in the morning. If I may take your lordship with the FIR. Record to the paper book, man. Photo record होते सब होता. Photo record होते सब होता. Lordship will have to peruse the TCR because there's no paper book.
No, you have furnished the FIR, you have no.
No, why not?
Without. FIR is exhibited as, I think, exhibit 2.
2, my lord. Exhibit 2.
Yes. Yes, this is the
May I read it, my lord?
53. Yes.
My lord, he's a name accused. মহোদয় এজাহাৰকাৰী সন্মানপূৰ্ব বিনীত নিবেদন যে আজি ইংৰাজী 15/1/2017 তাৰিখে 8 বজাত my lord will make a note 15/1/2017 was a Sunday 8 বজাত 2017 it was a Sunday.
Okay.
তাৰিখে 8 বজাত that is in the morning 8 AM উক্ত আসামীজনে আমাৰ আবেগৰ এই very ওচৰত মোৰ 11 বছৰীয়া নাবালিক ছোৱালী মিছ স্নেহাজ বেগম নানান নানা ষড়যন্ত্ৰ ক্ৰমে মাটি নি বলপূৰ্বকভাৱে মাটিত বগৰাই পেলাই লৈ তাইৰ শাৰীৰিৰ ওপৰত দেহত থকা পেণ্ট জাঙিয়া খুলি তাইৰ গালে মুখে চুমন ক্ৰমণ আসামীয়ে তেওঁৰ লিংগ উলিয়াই যৌন সংযোগ কৰিব ধৰে মাইলত তেনে সময়ত